What if racing wasn't just about crossing the finish line, but about exploring a world built for speed? Welcome to Forza Horizon 6, the next chapter in open-world racing. Forza Horizon 6 introduces a massive new open-world map, bigger and more detailed than ever before. From modern cities filled with neon lights to wide deserts, mountain passes, forests, and coastal highways, every location feels unique. The dynamic weather system completely changes how you race. Heavy rain affects grip, sandstorms reduce visibility, and the day-night cycle creates a realistic atmosphere. With next-gen graphics, ray tracing, and improved lighting, every reflection, shadow, and road texture looks stunning. The game features over 500-plus officially licensed vehicles. You'll find hypercars, supercars, muscle cars, rally machines, electric vehicles, and classic legends. Customization goes deeper than ever. Swap engines, adjust suspension, fine-tune gear ratios, upgrade turbos, and add custom body kits. You can also design your own paint jobs and share them with the community. Whether you're drifting through city streets or racing across rough terrain, Horizon 6 gives you total freedom to build your perfect ride. Driving physics have been refined for smoother handling and realistic control. Cars feel heavier, more responsive, and more immersive. Improved traction systems and suspension physics make off-road racing more exciting. AI opponents are smarter and adapt to your driving style, making every race competitive and intense. Online multiplayer connects racers worldwide with cross-platform support. You can team up with friends for co-op races, compete in seasonal championships, or join live events that change weekly. The Horizon Festival atmosphere brings music, energy, and non-stop action, making the game feel alive at all times. Forza Horizon 6 supports 4K resolution, high frame rates, and smoother performance on next-gen consoles and PC. From sunlight reflecting off your car's paint to rain droplets sliding across the windshield, the level of detail is incredible.